Alright guys, BC025 here. So today I'll be showing two earplugs. Alright, here's this. Foam earplugs, and this one's super soft foam and disposable. Foam earplugs from a digital pair. Let's show you this. If you open this, we'll see what happened. Don't try to do this. I'm warning you. And see what happened if you do this. Ooh, that's so many, a lot of it. Now I can be able to play this. Yeah, that's a blue earplug I've ever seen. Oh my freaking god. Okay, alright then. The second one is Mack Snore blockers, short form earplugs. Okay, number one, the doctor recommended brand to get the good night's sleep when sleeping with the snoring spouse. Free travel case included. Extreme comfort earplug. Blocks out snoring spouses, roommates, neighbors, travel companions, etc. And this one's, and that's like just like tubes. It's just put inside. In case you're gonna put right here to there. Alright? And now it's out. All I have to do is put right here to there. Is that what you understand? Okay, here we go. Don't let me have to do this. Oh, here we go. Hot da baba! 2 earplugs! Oh my god, color with green! Holy shit. And here's some. And have fun, enjoy. Crap. There we go. What's this? This is gonna be strange. And that's all today. Shit. Yeah, that's gonna be shit. This one has to do this. Oh my god, that's a lot of decibel of earplugs. Oh, we got missing earplugs. Look at this. Oh. Can I able to play with this? If so, looks like spreading or like such like virus, whatever that is. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put this up. Where is it? Okay, that's all today. Now it's time to clean up Adobe at least. Blue for number 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 22, 27, and it'll be 28 also. I should put right there. Or no, maybe not. Let's get this out of here. Now I'm gonna put back the place right there. that I cannot see. No, I'm tired. Alright. Now at least like this. Okay, where is it? Do you have any loss? No, none of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, let's start over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Double light is 20, and double is 18, and this was go through there. And this one has to go there. And this one has to go back there. Alright. Let's shove this all in together. There you go. And there you go. And that's all today. Oh, I forgot to take a picture. Oh well. I'll stop recording. I'll put it out like this. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Oh. Okay, guys. That's all today. And this is VCR. Alright. And also for sharing. Like this. So choose this one if you like this one. Tell me in a comment, let me know, alright? And this is BCO Train Fin 85 signing off in over and out. Bye.